Okay, so I've got it. Root ball's intact. Lovely. Now I'm going to put it in the hole right underneath the tree. That fits lovely. That just looks quite lovely there. I'm just gonna flex a little bit. Now what I'm hoping these will do is just shade out some of the weeds. So there's less, competition. I mean more competition, sorry. But there's more competition and the weeds are less likely to grow. Still got a few more in there, so I'm gonna dig another hole. Put one probably right here. This right here. As good a spot as any. I had one here. Not doing that well. Put a few more in that bulging area. Right there. Oh, so it's kind of tricky to dig because you do have the roots of the tree. So I'm just gonna try to be mindful, like where they might be. I honestly can't tell if I'm hitting it. This one here. Yeah? Oh yeah, I'm coming. Okay, so it's filling in pretty nicely. I'm happy about that. Well, I think that's filled in pretty nicely. I'm very happy with myself. Some of these things, I'm just gonna replant them. They're so fairly easy to propagate. Just gotta stick it on the soil, and that'll be fine. Okay. Alright. Then yeah. Just keep on weeding until the competition goes away. Okay. Good to do. And fold like this. And stick in here. And stick in here. Watch it grow. Going over here. And dogs stepped on it. Which is fine because I can just stick that in. I think this one already broke. So stick it in again. Alright. What is that going on so far? I'm happy with it. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I'm not sure what this big thing is. I don't know, it's something. What is it? I don't know. What is it? Okay, so that was a success. I got to fill in all underneath the avocado tree, so provide some pretty good ground cover, and I'll compete the weeds. I'm definitely gonna come back with some wood chips, just have to stock up, but once we get that, it should be alright. Alright, thanks for watching.